there, which is funny.
Ricky, keep it on.
It turns out to see.
Move, baby.
Ringtones.
Hey, move. Let me see Buster's face. Where's that dog come from? Where is the dog? Buster, where's the dog?
Not the same one.
There's too many dogs in my room. He turned it off. Put it on again. There's too many dogs in my room. I can't do it.
Annoying.
Buster, where's the dog at? Get him out of my room, Buster. Get the dog away.
Scare it off so it'll never come back.
Buster, where is the dog? What is that? Buster, look at me. Look at Mom. No? You don't want to look at Mom? You're mad at Mom? Because Mom's teasing you? Where's the dogs? Where's the dogs at, Papa? Move, Daniela, please. Where? Look at. Oh, God. I his face. Where's the dog at, Puppy? Where's that doggy at, Papa? Get the doggies! Get the pups! Damn it. Get the pups, baby. No, honey. Daniela, don't. Get the puppies. What the heck? Oh, what's that one? Oh, it's a hurt puppy. It's a hurt puppy. Make the puppy go away.
It's scaring us.
I don't like the sound of that. It's scary, Mommy. Where's that coming from? Oh, she's going to nonchalantly put his hand over that thing. Puppy, make it go away. Stop that noise. There's too many dogs in my room. You know Mama love you, right? Right? Mama love that face. Mama love that face. Daniela, let me see your face. There's my other face.
This looks like everyone thinks.
Dogs! The dogs are coming! Here they come!
That's a lie.
Dogs!
Make that your
The dogs
ringtone.
are coming! Here they come!
That could be your ringtone, Rick.
Dogs! The dogs are coming!
I think you're driving
Here
him
they
nuts.
come!
You're driving him nuts through propaganda there. That's enough.
Dogs! The